Hey guys, what's up? Obviously, we have another unboxing video today for RPM Crate. Today, I've got my daughter with me too, Kylie. So let's go ahead and get started on this because I'm sure you guys already know what's going on and I want to see what's in this box. Ready? Alright, so start off with got a car driver magazine, another air contour air freshener, some pliers, oil mat.
Oh, that's really cool.
I'm sure some of you guys have used it before, but when you change oil in your car, sometimes it doesn't exactly get on your oil catch can the way you want it to. And this will absorb that if you miss. This is a vent cleaning brush.
Whoa, how do you use it, Dad?
I'll give you a show sometime. Ooh, tire pressure gauge.
Oh.
Can always use more of those. And the shirt this month.
Whoa, that is really cool.
I like that. Callahan. Alright. So, obviously you can see what's in the box this month. Some good stuff. I like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or make a comment on this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next month.